Okay, hello. I am going to go and grab something that is not going to be expected from you guys. It's expected from me because I went and saw them before, and they are covered in yogurt. Yes, this will make sense in a couple of moments. This is Gregory. He's currently covered in yogurt. He can't fly. He was being bullied by minor birds, and I picked him up, and I'm gonna take him to the animal hospital soon, but he's currently living in my bathtub. I've given him vegetables. He likes to yell at me, but he's generally just a good boy. Yeah, that's my finger. Like, he doesn't even bite hard, he just kind of nibbles. So, I'm gonna put him back in the bath where he has his broccoli and his beans. Yeah, I know. Good boy. But you're covered in yogurt. Why did you go and lay down in the yogurt? That's silly. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna go and put him down. He doesn't yell if I'm not carrying him. Yeah, sorry. Just had to also clean my hands because, birds might have diseases. And I hope that Gregory doesn't have a disease. And I hope that they manage to fix his wings, or that he's just going to be a happy little guy. But yeah, no, my poor impulse control had me see two minor birds bullying him, and he obviously could not fly or get away from them, so I just picked him up and took him home. And then I was like, wait, I now have a bird in my home. What the fuck do I do with that? And I was like, well, I'll put him in the bathtub. I'll give him some like parrot-friendly foods and he'll be fine. And then he goes and rolls around in the fucking yogurt, and now he's covered in yogurt, which is a occasional food. Like, it's have a little cheese as a treat kind of food, not one that you're meant to have. But I was trying to make him comfortable, so I was giving him like broccoli and green beans, and then also, oh, do you want a little bit of mango yogurt? Okay. And then he goes and rolls around though. It's like, fucking hell, Gregory. Like, I've already given this fucking bird a name. His name is Gregory. I don't know if, like, he's a wild bird, obviously, but he's probably never had a name before, and now here I am going, oh yeah, Gregory, you're my bird. And then I'm gonna go and like pass him off to like people who actually know how to take care of birds. But for now, we're stuck in the abyss. Pew, 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 pew. No, for now, he's my bird. He lives in my bathtub. He eats broccoli or beans and rolls around in yogurt, and it's just a stupid little motherfucker. I love him. He goes, makes noises. So, love you, Gregory. And miss you when I pass you off to the animal hospital people, who will hopefully allow you to fly again. But for now, you're my... Actually, I don't know what gender Gregory even is, but given that You know, my mum has a man's name. We can just call them Gregory. Who cares? I went through a year when I was 3 where I refused to be called anything but Thomas. So we just, names are names. And right now they are Gregory. Gregory the bird. I may have to lean in. No, I don't think I do. To stop the video.